You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to remove or disable Face ID on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. You will see several toggle switches for what Face ID unlocks: iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, App Store, and others. To completely disable Face ID, toggle off all these switches. The most important one is iPhone Unlock. Turn it off. This immediately stops Face ID from being used to unlock your phone. You will now need to use your passcode for everything. To remove the Face ID data entirely, go back to the main Face ID and passcode page. Tap Reset Face ID, confirm by tapping Reset. This erases the facial map from your device. You can set it up again later by tapping Setup Face ID. Remember, disabling Face ID may affect Apple Pay authentication and app logins that rely on it. You'll need to use your passcode for those as well. This is useful if you're experiencing issues with Face ID or want to increase security by relying solely on a passcode. For more simple iPhone security tutorials, subscribe to the channel.